Former Minister Moirangthem Okendro of Heirok Part Mayai Laikai along with his family organized Ningol Chakoba with the invitations of 3,621 Heirok Ningols. He seek blessings from the 3,621 Ningols to bring peace in Heirok. Speaking on the occasion, M. Okendro said that the poll-related violence that had been recently happening in the constituency was quite unfortunate. He continued that there were no records of pre-poll violence in the Heirok constituency since 1972, but the recent pre-poll violence in the constituency was disheartening and beyond belief. He further said that the Ningol Chakoba was organized to seek the blessings from the Ningols to bring about peace in the constituency.
Manipur miyamna sonaramba sangnaramba mayamdo ona tainabada chakhiba miyoi kayana chawsang kayana ekhoina tinejaruba kayana Heirok tamacha thajage Heirok ki Ningol mamo oijage ga hairambado ngasidi Heirok ka thapnaro Heirok ka lapnaro haibu kholausina mayam tabang matte Heirok ta leiba khitang jugo chabe ina kera khulakpa nungaiba misingdi leiba lam natre koi thado chalasi kadai dino imphal dino kadai dino ma saidang urase haiba matam yorei sibu ekhoi punamana thenaba matam natribra sini chali che maibel singda ine singda tamjaraga amuktang Heirok se ingna chikna leinaba bor nijage aduna mayam ko